Okay, this is a Whitfield WP2 Advantage stove. It was made in 1988, and this blower fan here is very noisy and it vibrates real bad. As you can hear, it's quite noisy, vibrates real bad. There's something bearing going out, or blades flew off or something. Anyhow, we're gonna go ahead and take it off and probably end up replacing it, at least the motor. So let's go ahead and get at it. Okay, so there's two wires that come off the blower motor. One of them comes right here on this wire panel, so we'll pull that one off. We'll move around, we'll get the other one pulled off. Okay, the other lead off the motor is right here, goes up to this switch, and we will just pull that one apart as well. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do, looks like there's only two nuts or two bolts holding the blower on. One's here, one's here. The other side has a little flap that the side that flange sticks into. So we'll just take these two little bolts out here. So it looks like it's a 3/8. Looks like we've got a fan problem. I don't know if that's focused, if we can see that, but oh yeah. So okay, so looks like we found our problem. Okay, so what we're gonna do is remove these three screws here, and then we can get to the squirrel cage fan and pull that out there and see if we can get it replaced. Okay, so I had to break the fan off to get it out of the squirrel cage out of there, and this is what's left. I couldn't get this, pull this thing off. I'm going to try again. I think what I'm going to have to do is heat this up a little bit. Okay, so here's my little blower fan motor, and we got it all cleaned up. I had to break this fan apart, and anyhow, it left a little bit of the collar and this keeper on the shaft, and all I did is use my little propane torch and heated this keeper just for about 3 or 4 seconds, and then grabbed a hold of it with some pliers. That came right off. The noisy fan ended up being this half melted plastic squirrel cage fan, blower fan. I bought a Beckett blower wheel off of eBay for $12. I guess $12 shipping. Anyway, it was about 25 bucks. And that's it. I had to put a shim on it so it fit the 5/16 inch motor shaft. But and then I had to drill a hole for the set screw to go through to the shaft. But anyhow, it all worked out fine, and now we're just gonna plug it in and give it a tap. There's the exhaust blower, and there we go. There's our, okay, we'll go ahead and mount that on there, and then we'll get this stove put into the fireplace.